Hello everyone, my name is Devin here at Fred Anderson Toyota. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Power Liftgate on the all-new, brand new Venza. 4 ways to open your Power Liftgate. 1 is your key. 2, you can also do it on the inside. And 3 and 4, you can also use your hands and your feet to open it. The first way to open it on the inside, you press the button until you hear it beep. The second way you can operate your Power Liftgate by opening and closing it is with the key. Alright, and your third way to open your Power Liftgate is there's a button underneath and you just press and hold it and it opens your liftgate for you. Also, you have a button located on the inside that will close it for you too as well. And now for the final way to open your Power Liftgate. It's going to be with your foot. Make sure you're about 2 feet away from your bumper. Make sure you're staying directly in the middle of the 2 sensors in the back, and you just swing your foot underneath, and voila, it opens. And if your hands are still full, you can also close it with your foot as well. And why would you need a hands-free liftgate? Imagine if you was carrying a stroller or your hands was full of grocery and you can't get to your keys or from the back. You can use your foot to open it. Sometimes it might not work with your foot, so I'm going to show you how to set it up on your display. Alright, so the way you would get to it is you would use your keypad on the left hand side of the steering wheel. You will go down until you see the word settings. You will go all the way over to the right until you see the one that says vehicle settings. You will press and hold the OK button and you will see the abbreviations PBD. That would be for your Power Liftgate. And you would press and hold the OK button there, and then where you see the word hands-free, you will make sure that was turned on so you can use your hands-free for your Power Liftgate. Thank you for watching our tutorial video on the Venza about the Power Liftgate. Please subscribe to our Fred Anderson Toyota YouTube channel. Also, you can get more information about the Venza up there too as well. Thank you.